have you ever seen a demon actually manifesting? If you haven't, you're about to watch this.
We're gonna push it. We're gonna see how far we can push it. I was not kidding when I said if you were gonna get the job done, there were two better candidates. And furthermore, when that happens, and it will, it will, not only will we be insensitive, that'll be the least of your worries. But it's gonna be the biggest fucking celebration, the biggest, most beautiful celebration on planet Earth, right now. The entire planet is gonna celebrate when he takes a turn. Finally.
It's time for you to wake up. This is not normal. The devil is real and Jesus is real as well. Because right now this person is getting possessed by a demon. Wake up, people. The devil is not hiding anymore. It's time for you to wake up and give your life to Jesus and repent and fully surrender to Jesus. And thank you for watching. And if you love Jesus and want to see more amazing videos like this, subscribe and follow right now.